female parachute instructor in 2015.
And capturing all the action with the camera on his helmet with 1,300 jumps, we got first warrant officer Eugene Cho.
And that military alone is not enough to safeguard our homeland.
This one better be swift.
In response to a suspicious vehicle threat, the new generation fast response car from the Singapore Police Force is swiftly forming a barricade. Watch as our SPF ground response force swiftly engages the threat and stabilizes the situation.
In between the gunfight. Oh, ouch. Face blind.
Police receive reports from civilians on a
there you go,
moving
the bus.
vehicle in what appears to be a bus
Serious, the
hijack.
movie.
The fast response cars
Yeah, the bus
positioned
again.
above the bus, allowing
And
the
they were
special
going to come up and
operations
explode
task
the
force
mirror.
to
Sorry,
breach the
explode the
hijacked
window.
bus.
On that side, not on this side. Oh, wait. On this side. No, just the window.
The Special Operations Task Force have successfully entered the bus to further assess the situation.
Is there anything wrong here?
There's nothing over there. Should I call the police?
Okay, yeah, you call the police.
Hello, there's something suspicious here at National Gallery. It is dipping and there is a red light.
Boom!
Nearby, a
Yay!
suspicious bag has been reported by the public through the SG Secure app.
What's back?
The explosive ordnance disposal team is swiftly taking up position near the blue sector, while the robot operator deploys their remotely operated vehicle to neutralize the improvised explosive device from a safe distance.
Yay!
The team has given the all-clear sign. The IED has been defused.
That's all all he's there to do, just to give a thumbs up.
How's the situation?
Look over here.
Just identified.
Activities detected here.
What's that? These trapped human beings in the pile of rubber.
Authorities are responding to the cyber threats, but a massive power cut due to a system breach has resulted in a worksite accident, trapping people under debris and rubble. Watch as the fire bike and electric pump ladder quickly arrive on scene. Following behind is the Dark Rescue Vehicle, Red Rider, and ambulance to conduct complex rescue operations. Securing the site, the duty officer has conducted an appreciation of situation. Equipped with the newest rescue suits, the specialized DART team is gaining access to the trapped casualty using the heavy-duty hydraulic spreader and the power saw. The duty officer has been alerted to fumes near the far end of the debris. The SCDF have deployed their latest robot, the Unmanned Firefighting Machine 3.0, to counteract the fumes. The robot is remotely operated to deploy water curtains, which can quickly disperse and dilute the vapor for responders to enter safely.
It's like a cute
The
water
power
sprinkler.
outage area has also resulted in water.
What's your color?